Oh hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace your SSL certificates on the R7800 Netgear router. So the first thing you need is you need a CRT file and you need a key file, and you need to rename these two files to httpd.crt. So I'll show you. So I'm just going to SSH into my router. Open, and we're gonna log in as root. And if we go ahead and jump into cd/etc/ls, you can see there are two files called uhttp.crt and uhttpd.key. So these are the certificates that I generated for my router. So you have to rename these files and put in a pendrive at the root directory of a pendrive and plug it into your router. So now, to see where your pen drive is actually mounted first to copy, what you need to do is type cd/mnt and ls, and now you can see that the pen drive over here is being shown up as R7800 drive, because that's what the pen drive I labeled as. But let's say that this doesn't show up. What you could do is cd/mnt/sda/. So now if you type ls, you can see that when you jump into SDA and you do ls, there's nothing in it, because there's only two ports on the R7800 for USB. There's a SDA and SDA1. So since that, we can see that in the SDA there's nothing. So let's try with SDA1. ls, you will see that the files that you copied over there, uhttp.crt and the key. So now we need to replace these keys on the router. So to do that, we're going to use copy/mnt/sda1/uhttpd. So this is the source, the pen drive where our file is located. We just have to type here uhttpd. So now we are copying it at /etc/ and press Y and press enter. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the key file. So all you have to do is just come over here, type key, press Y, enter. So that's pretty much it. And now let's see if the SSL is working. So I'll try it on the Internet Explorer. So I'm just gonna type my hostname because that's what I made the certificate for. So as we can see, the certificate has been still not updated. So we'll just go ahead and reboot the router and come back. Okay, so router has been rebooted now. Let's go ahead and check if it's working. So yeah, we could try Google Chrome, or just close it out. Just close it out because it does cache your certificates if you don't close it. So we'll keep showing you the old one. So just go here and type the hostname, because I made the certificate for hostname and the IP address, so it's included in the certificate. So we can go by IP also. 40.2/login. Okay, like I said, since I already had gone here, but you can see the certificate is not anymore from Netgear. It's the certificate that I created with my certificate authority, and it's still not detected as not secure, but it's fine. You can go to your you just have to go to your task manager and kill the Chrome. It'll be fine. So we can just test it over here in the Internet Explorer. We'll log in and you will see it is fully secured, and this is the we click view certificate. You can see it's the same thing as we've seen it on the Chrome. It's just that Chrome has not detected it. So we'll go to task manager to make it sure that it's working in Chrome and task. Let's open up Chrome and go to :// switch And let's see. Okay, seems like Chrome doesn't want to give up, but it is working because you can see the certificate has been already replaced. It's just that the Chrome for some reason is not detecting it. It's because it's working fine in the Internet Explorer. You might just give a restart to your PC. That's it. That's all you need. So it's working. You can see the SSL is enabled, and I've also made it that so even the IP of it, I've included the IP also of the router in the certificate. So we'll see that the SSL is also enabled on the IP itself. You can see it shows up. Now let's try the IP maybe in the Chrome. It might not detect. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh, there we go. Password. Come on. Oh. Well, it just showed it that it was working fine. Well, it's fine. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just give a quick restart to your computer. It'll refresh the Chrome and flush out the cache about the old certificate, and it'll be fine. But you can see the certificates are updated, and it's working fine. So thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps. And just to let you know, if you try to do this via telnet, it is possible, but I gave a try. I don't know what did I do wrong, but even if I was trying to replace the files, these two ones, and through the telnet it tells me that the files were replaced, but they were actually not being replaced. It shows up that they have replaced the certificate, but it doesn't replace. So you do have to enable SSH. So I have a video on my channel about how to get the SSH working on the R7800. So do that, and then you can go ahead and replace your certificate files on the router. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps. Thank you.